Just arrived this absolutely stellar example Land Rover Discovery 5 on a 2017 registration. This car offers you everything. It's a first edition in a premium palette colour called Silicon Silver with a full Land Rover black pack and incredible specification. Literally offers you everything as a family vehicle. It's 7 seats. It's got heated and cooled front seats, heated and cooled rear seats. It's got the 22-inch wheels. It's got the factory rear entertainment being a first edition. It's got so many upgrades, opening sunroof being another one of those. It's absolutely beautiful. And with 34,000 miles on, it looks incredible value for money for what you get. It's a 3-litre diesel, V6 engine giving you 260 brake horsepower there or thereabouts in a lovely condition, just serviced as well. For me, it's the colour. I do like Silicon Silver, especially when you've got the black pack like this with the black badges, the grille. This car's got the 360 parking camera as part of the first edition spec, LED lights, and then the wheels. The wheels are a big feature on one of these cars because it is a big road presence, 22-inch gloss black wheels, incredible design, incredible condition. And then the black styling continues into the wings, so wing inserts, mirror casings, fixed Discovery side steps, privacy glass. You can see the sunroof just peeping open there. Dual sunroofs in these cars, so there is one at the front and there is one at the back for your rear passengers, but just check this out. Factory rear entertainment into the headrests in both sides with wireless headsets from Land Rover, so it's a factory thing. And we've also got heated and cooled rear seats with climate control for your rear passengers, so whether you're in the front of this car enjoying the drive or in the rear, sat in the back, it is a great experience with that sunroof. The options that you've got in the rear for your children. I mean, I've got 2 kids. They would absolutely love that aspect of this car. Meridian surround sound stereo system, another upgrade. Keyless entry, keyless start, remote boot release with powered tailgate. And then the back end of these is all about the 7 seats. So if I just put the shelf down, you'll see we've got the parcel shelf sitting neatly in the little hole that it has, and then the 7 seats up, still giving you a little bit of boot space. All these seats fold down electrically because it's the first edition, and you can also switch your air suspension from the back here. So it does have literally everything as a Discovery 5 goes. This car was very, very expensive when it was brand new. Now into that price bracket where it looks really affordable, and it still looks a hell of a lot of car, especially with the specification it's got. Fitted Land Rover floor mats throughout, which are rubber, and it's just in a superb condition. With the first edition, you get higher grade leather, so it's a Napa leather with the white stitching, and you also see you get this lovely design, almost like a Thunder design, to the trims inside the car, which you'll see at the front as well. Blind spot monitor in the wing mirror as part of your cruise control. Full electric seats with driver memory, which is lovely. And then just check these seats out because they are a better seat than you get in a normal Discovery with the comfort headrests, opening sunroof. It's a stunning car. Widescreen infotainment system. And just have a little look at this trim inside because it is a first edition trim. And then you've got the Meridian surround sound stereo. Again, an upgrade. So as far as options go, it does have it all. Big ones is, for me, it's the way the car looks with the black styling and the wheels. But then to get a car with the opening sunroof and the rear entertainment, it's a lovely, lovely thing. Jumping in, it is a great drive height, great access height with the steps. It helps me get inside the car. Keyless entry and keyless start. We've also got heated steering wheel, cruise control and Bluetooth and stereo controls on the steering wheel as well. We've got a colour driver information system. The car's done 34,600 miles. So let's look at the infotainment system. Great, easy to use, great operation with navigation, your media interface. We can scroll along. We've got Apple CarPlay and Android CarPlay. That isn't standard in one of these cars. We've got the incredible the camera system, and we've got ambient lighting, which you can switch to a multitude of different colours. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see the reversing camera and the 360 surround camera. I've got this door open, but it has got the full surround, and the car will park itself with this button here. So another lovely feature. Going further into this, the seat selections, we've got heated and cooled front seats for driver and passenger. Under the armrest, we've got a refrigerator in the centre console. All the black styling throughout the cabin of the car looks lovely. This little cubby hole here pops down. And then you've got some more space to hide your belongings, put your mobile phone in, whatever that might be. It is a lovely, lovely car. Heated front and rear screens, digital climate control, different four-wheel drive and terrain settings down here, and your air suspension is switchable down here. So 3-litre diesel, fuel efficient, quick, great drive height. And with a car that looks like this, with the specification that comes along with the looks and the value for money, that is a big thing. It is great value for money. This car won't last long. It's in a lovely condition. My name's Richard. Ring me on my number on the screen, WhatsApp me or text me. I'd love to speak to you about this car. Thanks for watching.